The Saint Bernard is one of the most legendary dogs ever known to humans. Bred high in the snowy Alps, this massive dog was created not for war or guarding, but for saving lives. Centuries ago, Saint Bernards worked alongside monks at Alpine hospices, rescuing travelers lost in blizzards and avalanches. Their strength, intelligence, and unmatched sense of direction made them natural heroes in extreme conditions. Despite their enormous size, Saint Bernards are calm, gentle, and deeply affectionate. They are known for patience, loyalty, and a strong bond with humans, especially families. Saint Bernards are powerful dogs, yet they rarely show aggression. Their temperament is steady, protective without hostility, and guided by instinct rather than force. As working dogs, they excelled in search and rescue, using their endurance to locate people buried under snow. Even today, they symbolize courage, compassion, and service. Though no longer used widely in alpine rescue, the Saint Bernard remains a global icon of trust and gentleness. A giant by size but a guardian by heart.